Your old winding machine is a true dinosaur. And this old dyno feeds your shop with coils and more coils. But in antiquated and inefficient ways. Some of the old dyno issues are counting errors, bad tensioning, no exact tooling, layering problems, too many crossovers, very long coil insertion times, and too often cannot be wound in-house. Open your eyes and see how every day, in every winding job, you are throwing away big profits. Here is how you wind your AC. AC winding by hand. Here is how you wind your DC. Long manual DC winding. And then you struggle with the crossovers. Little complicated AC windings? In every difficult concentric winding, in every concentric motor with fully stacked slots, and even with a simple DC coil, old dyno will always frustrate your winders. Also, handling wires by hand over and over again exposes winders to a host of carpal tunnel syndromes. Here is your solution. SAMATIC Touch and Go. The intelligent winding machine. Packed with 22 specially developed features. Automatic sleeving, adjustable concentrics, built-in tying tape, concentric jig, universal DC wizard, DC click for automatic tapering, and much more. It is as easy as using your smartphone. Just set it, click go, and that's all. You always get perfect layering with zero crossovers. AC and DC coils are wound in a fraction of the time. Coils are inserted easily and fast into the slots. No mistakes, always perfect. No more nightmares. SAMATIC machines are already in over 3,000 motor shops. Every week we deliver and we set free more and more old dinosaurs. See some examples, many more on our website. So make your move. Let your new SAMATIC in your shop and chase your old dyno out. SAMATIC, a small one-time investment with big lifetime benefits and lifetime profits. Our email is samatic@samatic.com. Or contact me directly at paul.taylor@samatic.com. Click here now to see more. Goodbye.